Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to the healthier side of things. And guys, today I'm gonna make a smoothie for you. I'm gonna make beets and banana smoothie. All right, so this is gonna be yummy, delicious, refreshing, very healthy, packed with lots of antioxidants. And you know guys, banana clean your system and clean your skin and good for heartburn and upset stomach. It's good for digestion. And banana have a lot of potassium, and my beets full of antioxidants. And you know, that's for cancer, diabetes, you know, high blood pressure. Oh God, give you a lot of iron and all of that. All right guys, let's get to this video. It's very healthy, very nice. Now I'm gonna use one banana. This beet is very strong, so if you're not making much, do not use the whole of it. I'm going to use half. Okay, it's very strong. You can up the honey and you can get the sweetness from the banana. It's your choice, but because of the beets, I'm going to add a little bit of honey. I'm going to add about half cup to a cup of almond milk. And guys, the next trick to it, guys, you can peel your banana and you can put them to freeze and then you can use it. All right, it's up to you. All right guys, I'm gonna peel my banana. I'm gonna cut my beets. I wash it already. I'm gonna use half and cut it up real fine, and I'm gonna come back. All right my peeps, now I'm back. You want to cut it in small pieces, the beets, and my banana is right there. Now to start off, I'm gonna pour my banana in, and as I said before, you can use your frozen banana. That would be ideal. And I'm gonna add my beets. It's about half cup of beets, or half of beet. Now I'm gonna add some of this almond milk. It's silk. I'm gonna add about a cup. That will do. You can go ahead guys and you can blend it like this, really nice. But I want a little bit of sweet to it, so I'm gonna add let's do a teaspoon of honey. And now nothing else, that's it. Cover this thing and we're gonna blend. All right guys, I cover this real good and we're gonna blend. You want to blend it until there's nothing more. Blend it a little bit extra so it's really fine. All right guys, that's it right there. We're gonna serve it up. All right my peeps, let's take a look at this bad boy. Oh, look at that guys. Yes, all you need. Healthy breakfast, good for lunch, any time of the day guys. Wow, voila, really healthy, really nice. Yes. And guys, this is the final result. Ooh yes baby, very healthy, very tasty, very yummy. Look at that. Really rich, creamy and nice. You can add whatever you want to it. There will be a part 2, a part 3, and a part 4, a part 5, maybe a part 6 to this. I'm gonna show you a lot of ways how you can use beets and incorporate it in your diet, because it's good for fighting cancer, diabetes and all of that, because it's packed with antioxidant. All right guys, and this also guys help you to build your immune system. Good smoothie. All right my peeps, please love upon me and I love upon you. Look at that, look at that goodness guys. Yes, blessings guys, and put God first. One love. Yeah, this also, it's good for vegan and vegetarian. All right guys, it's a healthy smoothie. Blessings.